have an oily face or you're not comfortable with your face, try New Johnson Essential Powder that smoothens your face and looks beautiful like this procedure. Apply powder first on the upper eye.
Like
Huwag ka
that?
gagalaw, huwag ka gagalaw.
Then, then don't rub your face first. Just fully powderize your face first, like this.
Huwag ka tumawa. Cheesy.
First to apply with the eyes, then next to nose and to cheek. After that, rub it. You can use your tongue. Like that.
Wait guys, may nakita daw ba kayong pera dito?
How much?
Can you see the
Kwenta daw.
before and after?
Focus pa may mukha yung green.
Just rub it
Focus ulit.
until
Ikaw na cheesy ah.
it becomes fully powderized and smooth.
Tapos may gamang papasayaw. Cute na tripod.
It looks like foundation now. So remove the hair for the full presentation of the
Kumaya ka na. Ganda. Ang ganda mo,
so
Bill.
you will have an effect like this. so, so the problem is now solved. By the way, thanks for my class and for my haircut Tamil Awareness and Rika Salon, for my outfit, Miss Abby Gutierrez, and for my model, Miss Jilly Sassis.